hope you're having a wonderful holiday season so far. I just got back from a 2-week trip to Canada. It was an absolute blast, met some really cool people, but now it's back to the grind and I want to kick things off with some last minute Christmas gift ideas. Grab some hot cocoa, take a seat by the fire, and let's get started. What's good, people? I'm Yeti Machete. Here we focus on tech reviews and tutorials. If you're new here, consider subscribing. We have an awesome community and I would love for you to be a part of it. Everything will be linked down in the description below, and as always, I will try to find the best possible price for you. Now, when looking around for a new microphone, you probably first think of Blue Yeti, followed by like Audio Technica or something. And don't get me wrong, those are fantastic microphones for the most part. But what if I told you you can get the same, if not better, audio quality for around $40? This is the Fifine K670 USB microphone. This mic picks up your voice with crystal clarity. It's really just amazing. I did a full review on it, so if you want to hear exactly the type of audio that this thing picks up, make sure to check out the full review, which will be linked on card now. Awesome build quality headphone jack, which offers real-time monitoring, and you're also getting a mic stand in the box, so if you don't have yourself one, you're still good to go. There's just a whole lot here, and it is hands down the best bang for your buck microphone that you can get. Now, the Nintendo Switch has been selling like hotcakes, so if you or someone you know is getting a Switch this holiday season, there's a few things that you can get them that's gonna put a smile on their face. The first and most unique, either being a Pro Controller shell or some Joy-Con shell replacements. Now, these are just going to make your Pro Controller or Joy-Con stand out from the plain black or red and blue neon Joy-Cons that the Nintendo Switch is currently offering. For Pro Controller shells, there's a few different colors. You can get a SNES themed one, which is my favorite, and it's actually the one I'm currently using with my Pro Controller. But they also offer a variety of different colors like blue, purple, green, all semi-transparent. If you remember back in the day, the semi-transparent colored N64s, these colors are gonna be right up your alley. Now I actually have a few extra Pro Controller shell replacements laying around. I think I have purple and white. I'll be giving these away. All you have to do is follow me over on Twitter. Link will be down in the description. In a couple days, I'll be making a post about the giveaway over on Twitter. All you have to do is reply to that post, and then in about a week, I'll announce the winner, again, over on Twitter. So make sure you follow me there. Again, link down in the description. Now, a Nintendo Switch grip case is a must, especially if you're planning on playing in portable mode. Without some sort of extra grip, your hands are just gonna cramp up after, a half hour or so of gameplay. Now, I'm going to leave a link down in the description to 3 of my favorite grip cases for the Nintendo Switch. You can go through and check out all 3 of them, see which one you prefer. Either way, all 3 of them are going to give you that extra comfort that you need when playing in portable mode. Next up, we have the GT Racing Chair. Now, I've reviewed a handful of chairs in the past year, and the GT Racing Chair offers the best performance to price ratio. Is it the best chair money can buy? No, but it's the best chair that you can get for under $200. The chair itself looks really dope. You get that same recline feature found in a lot of other gaming chairs. It's big enough to support anyone up to around like 6'2", 250 pounds. Now, I've done a couple reviews on the GT Racing Chair. Feel free to check all of them out. I'll post them on card now. I'm gonna have to end it here with my favorite keyboard of 2018. If you're a fan of compact TKL keyboards, then you're gonna be right at home with this one. This is the Gamdia's Hermes M3 RGB. Now, this keyboard is one of the slimmest, low-profile, compact keyboards that I've ever seen. But you're not compromising anything. You're getting blue switches. Now, these are low-profile switches, so they're slightly different feeling, but you're still getting that really nice clicky tactile feedback. They feel great to game on and even better to type with. If you want your keyboard to look like 6ix9ine's hair, well, thanks to the RGB, you can do exactly that. I can talk all day about this keyboard. I absolutely love it. Make sure to check out my full review. Again, just a solid keyboard. That's gonna wrap it up. Let me know your favorite piece of tech from today's episode down in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed the video, you already know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment. I love hearing from you. If you disliked the video, hit that dislike button twice. Let me know what I could have done differently. If you haven't yet, check out some other content. Consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it greatly. I'm signing off. Catch you guys in the next one.